Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are fine. I will teach you a new lesson today. If you are eating something, lunch or dinner, with friends or with family at home, you should follow some table manners. Let's learn some table manners. Clean your hands before eating meal. Put napkin on your lap and sit straight. Keep elbows off the table during eating. Show peace while eating. Wait for others to start eating. Always eat with right hand. Don't stuff your mouth. Keep your mouth closed while chewing the food. And don't use mobile phone while eating. It is a bad manner. Don't talk while eating. And don't be crazy. During eating, don't quarrel with each other. And don't be silly. Wipe your mouth with the napkin after finishing meal. And at the end, wash your hands with soap. This was all about table manners, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care.